Hello. This worksheet is this homework for Monday, February 24th is going to help us with our learning target on Friday. This will be some of the items, the concepts, but there's a few more that we'll get later on this week. But the first one is we want to find the slope for this line, and remember the slope is the ratio of the rise to the run. Another way of saying that is the change in y over the change in x. So if I choose 2 points on the line, I can find the change in y, that's my vertical, and I'm going down 3, so that change in y, or that rise, is a -3, and the run is to the right in the positive direction, so that's a +2. The slope of this line is -3/2. The new concept this week is using finding the slope of a line that passes through 2 points. So we're going to use the slope formula. So it's the slope, again, is the rise, the ratio of the rise to the run, or the change in y, or the change in x. So if we find the difference between our y values, that'll be the change in y. So we have 2 points. If this is the first point, this would be x1, y1. And this is the second point, so this would be x2, y2. So if we find the change in y, the difference between my y's, y2 is 4 minus y1, which is a -1. And x2 is 3 and minus x1, which is a -2. 4 minus a -1 would equal 5, and 3 minus a -2 would equal 5. So our slope, the slope of the line that passes through those 2 points, is 1. Here we talked about slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So the slope is 1/3. The y-intercept is 7. The slope is -2. The y-intercept, -18. And then finally, we're going to graph these equations. So the first thing, we need 2 points to make a line. So my y-intercept is 1. The rise over the run, the slope is 2/3. So my rise is 2. My run is 3. 1, 2, 3. The line, there's 2 points that I need to make a line. Here, my y-intercept is 2. My rise is -1. My run is a +2, 2 to the right. Down 1, 2 to the right. I only needed 2 points to make a line, but there you go. I did 3.